Right, quick little tutorial on how to photograph your creative journals that you've been working on. So, when you're photographing these journals, you can either choose to photograph a single page at a time or a double page spread. When you do, the first thing to consider is where you have the journal. At the moment, I've got it placed on a desk in the room, but I'm a little bit away from the window, so it's relatively dark. Simply moving this journal to a brighter, more well-lit area is immediately going to give me a better photograph. Where possible, photograph near an open window in daylight. Doesn't matter whether it's a rainy day or bright sunshine, but it'll still give you better lighting. Next, as you can see me already doing, try to move the camera vertically above the journal or the work that you're photographing. And when you've done that, you can start to look at the edges of the work around the journal. Check the gaps between the edge of your page and the edge of the screen. If we get photographs like this, I'm not going to be able to see the work very clearly. Even lower down and things get worse. But if I position my phone or camera over the work, I can carefully align the top and bottom edges of the document to align to the screen, and I know I'm going to get a good snapshot at that point. That's it really. There's not very much to it. At that point you can just keep flipping pages and take more photographs, but that should give you some good images.